how to activate a gig in Fiverr. So once you have logged into your Fiverr account, and then on the top right corner click on your profile icon. Now just go to your profile. After that you will see all of your gig list. So in my case my all gig are passed. So let's say how to activate. Just click on the three dot icon and then click on edit, or you can click on activate. And if you click on activate gig, and then here you will see the activate list. So that's how you can activate your gig. So you can same way activate all of your gig. Just click on three dot icon and then click on activate. So that's how you can activate your gig on Fiverr. Hope that this video help you out. If this video help you, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.